Good idea, we check all our luggage in. Right.
It tastes like it smells like.
Cool, sounds good.
Yeah.
Cheers. How do you say cheers in Australia? Cheers, same thing, right?
Cheers.
Stupid question.
Bottoms up.
Oh, bottoms up. Babe, try this one. Strawberry cream. I might get one. What's good to mix this with? What's good to mix that with? Just club soda?
Yeah, soda, lemonade, any sort of like plain.
Oh, lemonade,
like,
yeah.
Tonic.
Tasmanian, yeah, that's Australian. This is Italian. Alright, so let's... Yeah. Okay, yeah. Big one?
Fragrances, yeah.
Oh, right there?
Yeah, just over here.
30% up? There you go.
This one is for you? Perfume? Yeah.
Babe, eat some of these chocolates. Welcome to Perth. I want the two of you. Two of us. Alright. 1, 2. I don't know where this out again. Okay, here. 1, 2. Our luggage is probably the only 3 that's still there. Our luggage is probably the only 3 that's still there. It doesn't look like it's hot outside. It stopped running. We should get like a luggage thingy. This is not mine. What's it? I'm still missing mine. Oh, mine's right there. Is that mine right there? All right. It's raining. Nice car. I like this car. Oh damn, there's 2 screens. We don't have this in the US, this kind of car. I mean, Chevy's from the US, but I never heard of a Armada. It's new?
Yeah, it's actually cherry, not Chevy.
Oh, I thought it was Chevy. Oh, cherry, okay. got it. That's funny. Seatbelt, babe. You're in a different country. So it's supposed to rain all day, or?
It's actually a surprise.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just 10%, so it's probably not going to be all day. We're staying in the city. Where are you dropping us up right now in the Hyatt? Is that near Perth Stadium, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're going to watch the wrestling show tonight.
Oh, pretty nice.
Yeah, so yeah, it's near there. So our plan is Margaret River. It's like 2 hours away.
Margaret River.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's down there.
Bustleton?
Basildon.
Yeah, Bustleton, yeah. So we're going to try to do that tomorrow.
The Margaret River.
Tomorrow? I thought it was at Rotterdam.
Yeah, but pretty places to go. There's places like Scarborough. There's Scarborough Beach.
Yeah.
There's Mandra. If you like getting into the water.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, what about the beach?
Yeah, there's Swansea. If you go to the Scarborough Bridge.
Scarborough Bridge. Is that near where we are? Downtown?
Yeah, Scarborough Bridge is just.
Stadium event tonight, expect delays.
Guess I'm gonna buy the last minute tickets if I.
Oh, you can, yeah. It's a big stadium, so, you know, 80,000 people I think they're expecting. No, like 60 to 70. 60, maybe 60.
Follow also like a Russell.
360 camera, that's crazy. So it's not too far at all. Maybe a lot of they're promoting it, yeah. That's cool. CD. Okay. Yeah, later, babe. Let's go. It's still early. We were supposed to check in last night, but we've seen in Singapore a little longer. Yeah. I only have 2 tickets. I could have asked Mr. Pernucci for more, but a lot of WWE guys are staying here. Go. Let's go. Oh, he's got the Elimination Chamber shirt already. It's nice hotel, right? Let's go get ready and then go to the pool. Relax. Get some sleep and eat. Take a shower. Because I want to take a shower, but I want to swim first. 7:21. Oh, pretty high.
What is it?
7:21. $7:37. I don't think she works in the Hyatt anymore. Oh, it's we're right there, babe. $7:21, yeah. 21. Oh, you can see the stadium from here. Huh? Room service. No. Where's 21? Oh, 21's there. That's nice. Awesome. ocean right there. Not an ocean, but like. Oh, so Taylor Swift is now in Sydney.
Now she's on Sydney.
Yeet. You wanna go there? It's affogato. It's Italian. We can have right here. We can have also like lunch here.
Say the pancakes, right? Yes.
You can go to the where? So this is like the. People still swimming? Or more people are swimming? The pool is probably really warm. What's that for? Tennis? Let's go, babe.
C15 to the jetty and then come here.
Yeah. Pretty quiet for Saturday, right?
This hall is nice.
Yeah?
Oh, no, this hall is nice.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice.
It's quiet. Just few weeks are like 45, 43, 44.
Uh-huh. Understand. So this is like so that where we're staying right now is East Perth, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then okay. So just go straight right here?
Yeah.
Oh, Bell Tower, that's where it is, okay.
Yeah, that's where it is. There is the bell tower.
Oh yeah, yeah, alright, okay, got it. Okay, so we can walk there, yeah, that's not too far.
It's a good weather today, so that's fine.
Yeah, I mean like not today because we're gonna go to Kings Park and then like the Botanical Garden is there too, right?
Yeah, it's a big area there. But beautiful views you can see.
Okay. And then we're gonna go head back to the show is probably gonna finish like 8 or 9. And then we'll try to do something downtown. Saturday, right? Yeah, alright. Yeah, we're planning that. Oh, so here's the Kings Park. Just a nice views here, right? To go looking downtown.
One on the bay.
Alright.
It's always packed on the weekend though.
Oh yeah.
It looks like there's something going on here. That's why a lot of people.
A lot of tourists.
It's nice weather. People came out.
All the wrestling fans are here. Oh, that's amazing! Yeah, I mean, you know, like before going here, we checked out a lot of YouTube videos, you know, just to see like what to expect, you know. So that's why I made like a list of where we want to go. All right, Kings Park. Here you go, babe. Ready? 1, 2. Wait, 1, 2. There you go. That's better. Some Botanical Cafe. Right there, babe. That's Australia. So that's where it starts. Yeah. Alright. So you want to walk around here a little bit? It's not a flight here. Alright, I'll follow you then. Oh, to see the views? Yeah, we're gonna go there. He said this is long. July, damn, this is so far away. A what? There's like some routes in here. I know, but we're still gonna, let's check it out. There's another view right there. Those are ducks. Those are baby ducks. It looks like a duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Where's your 3 little brothers? Supposed to be 5 little ducks, right? Where? It's a seagull. That's a seagull, right? Whoa. Ready? In, go, yes. I wish I can zoom when I'm using these glasses for camera. I wish I can zoom when I'm using these glasses for camera. That's how it's gonna be in the future. You can just control it like this and are those jet skiing? That's jet ski, right? Oh, we definitely gonna do that. Huh?
That's very deep.
So it's jet ski. You're gonna wear a jacket. There's so many roads in Central Park. There's a glass bridge. How far is 150 meters? That's a nice view. Where's Optus? Optus is in the next side, right? You want a photo? Narrows Bridge. Oh, there's more here. I mean, like on one of the YouTube. Is this the one? Maybe it's this one. Oh, the side is glass. I thought the floor is glass. Oh, that's a brewery. Okay, how do we get there? No rush. Is it open? It's a big brewery. How far is this? This is nice. The what? One of the ferries? Alas.
The white one that you go like in circle like that.
Alright, let's check it out.
White.
You think it would be nice if we never watch all those YouTube videos and we just don't know what to expect? We would be lost, right? At least you don't know what to expect. It's a little bit more excitement if you don't know where you're going.
But at the same time, it's exciting because you know that you're going to get there.
Okay, yeah, true. In person. Oh, there's a gopies. Let's go, babe. Let's go see that tower thing you're talking about. DNA or whatever. Swim! Swim! Jacuzzi! Come on, hot tub!
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a big bird.
Oh, it's a bird. You speak bird? Well, here, check it out. Look here. We're here. I thought DNA Tower was there. I read the map. It's supposed to go that way. Zebra bird. It looks like 9/11? What the hell? This is Australia. 9/11 was far away from here. Zebra bird. Zebra bird. Oreo bird. I'll take a photo from you. I'll take a photo of you from down here. That's too many steps for me. Down where? Right here. This is a good view. Count how many steps, babe. Count how many steps. If it's less than 100, I'll do it. Just count it. Are you tired yet? Your legs are what? It's gonna be fun going downstairs though. Are you tired yet? Your legs are what? It's gonna be fun going downstairs though. Oh, sorry, my battery died. I ran out of battery. Ready? There you are. Do the superhero pose. Do the superhero pose. It's a raspberry bird. That's the Elizabeth thing, right? Right there. The Elizabeth Quay. Quay? Elizabeth Quay. Let's go. I know. Relax. 1, 2. Alright, took 2. I took 2. Rottnest Island. I don't know. Probably all the way up there. What car? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, gelatos, babe. Let's get some ice cream. Where's it? Oh, right here. 60 meters. Shouldn't be too far. Oh, right there, right there. Follow the sign. Air conditioner. What's a Ferrero? Why didn't you get mango? Just a cone? Huh? Yeah. And I'm gonna get a Cascade. Lemon lime. I got this one. Alright. That's it. Whoa. It's Milena. I could probably make it back with one of those if I know how to ride it. How long does this take? That bus right there, the tourist bus service. But it goes around Perth or just around downtown?
I don't know. I never.
No, let's stop here. There's a lot to walk around here. Alright babe, we're gonna go all the way up there. You wanna book, oh no problem. You wanna book the rat nest now? Oh, there's a lot to do. See where? Departure. We just gotta get here earlier. But we're gonna do that Monday. I'm trying to follow the schedule that I made. See? There's a zip line here too. We were planning to do a zip line. Well, let's do Elizabeth Quay and then let's do like, how do you pronounce it? Quay? Got the photo already. I'm taking a video. So we're going up there, right? Right. Yeah, I'm gonna have hair. We should get some souvenirs. Oh babe, look for Jackson. Babe, look, get some of this for Jackson. Alright, I'm gonna take the stairs. Yeah, I'm gonna take the stairs, yeah. I need to exercise. Let's go. How you doing? I'm tired already, yeah. My wife's taking the elevator. What? Oh, okay, the tour. Oh, I didn't know. I thought I was all good. I thought I was supposed to go all the way upstairs. All right, Howard is gonna tour us.
Feel free to ask me questions.
Sure. Sounds good.
If I don't know the answer, I'm just going to lie to you. Just gonna say that. And what we're looking at here is the oldest Australia. This building is actually cast through 1550.
1550, damn.
1550.
Wow.
Over 500 years old. The reason they have it, anyway, I'm not into that. Normally in circles, news travels around the world. And in Perth, we have a rich man who loves bells, lace bells, and he's always listening out to see if he can get an interesting bell. Well, right up his alley.
They were not able to like fix it, and it's a long process if they want to fix it, so they just left it like that.
All right, you go first. Let's go. She has it.
And so at that stage there were some fields. And the reason why they called it St Martin the Fields, not just St Martin's, there was already a St Martin's church in London. So it's differentiated St Martin Fields. And it was built just to service a small parish in London. However, within that parish is Buckingham.
Mhm.
I reach round about where your forehead is, you stop the bell from going any higher.
Ah.
Just like that. Just to chime the bell. Alright? Reckon you could do that?
Mm. All right, let's go.
Alright?
Keep it going.
Keep going.
I've lost it. I had a bell, now it's gone.
Only little ones.
I like it.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, is that moving on the screen?
Yeah.
I've got it now, shit, yeah. I'm enjoying it.
How we go in a minute?
That's a different sound.
Yeah, it's a different size. Yeah, you got it. Okay, lovely. Okay.
That's cool. Yeah. Oh, that's the one, right? So that's a live camera from upstairs. Good job. I thought she wouldn't be able to reach it. Are they gonna do it together? It's like an organ, different keys.
Now we close at 4 o'clock, so we've got a couple of hours. No, we don't want to go that long.
Just a good workout. All right. Thank you, Howard. Thank you. Are we gonna take the stairs? That's cool. You wanna put it up there, babe? Oh, when we come back, let's go upstairs first. Level 2. Yeah, we're on level 2. These are the smaller bells. Oh, this is a nice view.
So that was when the original mill was there.
Yeah, original. Interesting, huh? I want to go all the way to the top. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, definitely. Oh my god, that thing's huge.
So this is the one that only rains at 12.
Is that the one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the hybrid program that she says.
Okay, so it's
Plus
broken.
nobody gets to like fry at 12 o'clock.
Interesting. 600. Is this all the way in the top already? Let's go. This is awesome. That's a better view, babe. Alright, my turn. Top of the bell tower. You want to do that now? The ferry? We might have time. Today?
Yeah, just to go there and come back.
Those are some tall palm trees. Oh, this is scary. Whoa. This is scary. I'm recording. Oh, geez. I'm about to, oh, there goes some, look.
Yes! What? Yeah! Yeah! Yes! What? Yeah! Yeah! Yes! What? Yeah! Yeah!
Laban. That's a nice hotel, right? Which hotel is that? Oh, that's DoubleTree? Have fun. Whoa! Oh, it's not as fast. I thought it was going to be fast. Like the CN Tower in Canada.
And you mark in here, hiding somewhere in the bell tower. All right, I didn't see
Where?
it.
Oh, you can actually buy those? This place is nice, I like it. Hi, how are you? Good. I'll just buy Justin some toys. Swim?
That swim and
Wasn't there a Ferris wheel here? How do we get there? Is this the one? Do we need to get a ticket here or? Fremantle. This is the one that lights up at night, right? Huh? Is there a way here to go there? Oh, I was going the right way, Karen. Swim. Maybe, I don't know. It's probably nice here at night. From here to there? I guess they're not doing it right now.
I remember it was like wasn't it?
Yeah.
Remember? Is it this one?
I think they're boarding, babe. Come on. You want a photo? Right there. Hurry. Hurry, hurry. 1, 2. Oh yeah, floating bar. That's cool. I would definitely love to do that. So where's the zoo? What's that? Main Street Jetty. Ice drinks.
One cappuccino and one latte. Cappuccino and latte. That's just $11.
Hi, how are you? Can I get ice mocha, the largest size? If you have that. Only one size, that's fine. Oh, you guys do flavored drinks?
These are for the milkshakes.
Perth Zoo. Duchess. Coco. Let's just sit down here, babe. Where do you want to go? You relax. That WrestleMania 39. I have the baseball one. That's the football one. Yeah. Pigeon. Kalapate.
Huh?
That's how you say pigeon in Tagalog. Kalapate.
I thought you were gonna say kalapata. Kalapata means like without bare feet.
I know what pata means. It's potato.
Huh? No. Patata.
Oh. Hector and Richie. Hector. Hector. Come here, Hector. I got a pee. Oh, this is a Ritz-Carlton, babe. That's why it's so nice in there. And the other one is a Hilton, you said? Huh? When is that? Oh, that's today. 5 to 9 today. What time is it now? Have somebody take a picture of the two of us. Yeah. Is there a city of light tomorrow too? Is there a light show tomorrow too? Look, babe, Vietnamese food.
You don't think we can walk, right?
How far is the walk there?